Somebody slow down the ride.
Ready to lose.
Interior lights on. Check this out. Look at the front of my, look at my lights there. I can change the color of the lights. Look at Morris is doing it too. With the side dual stick.
Yeah.
Look at this on the controller stick. So now we can be individual colors. So
yeah, we can do like drifting lights too.
Green, red, exactly.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get my hazards going. 1, 2.
Actually, I'm gonna be turning this.
There we go. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh.
No. Oh, I'm on medium speed too. I forgot about that.
I had to do the dishes yesterday. Oh, it looks like I might do them tonight.
You will lose.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, yeah.
No. How are we doing this with all trucks? No.
Oh, I'm off the course.
You cheat.
How is that a cheat? I think that's
You guys, those corners are so tight.
Why are we doing this with all trucks?
Yeah. Oh. No! Again.
Guess who's gonna win?
Yeah! Repo.
No!
Repo.
You did such a good job with dishes yesterday.
Okay, this is the last lap, remember? I win.
Technically, I drove right off the course. So I drove off the cliff, and the truck is A-okay.
Yeah, it's actually, I'm surprised that's okay.
That's why I had the hazards on, is that I figured it would be a good opportunity to show that there was something dangerous going on. Get away! All right. So we had so much fun yesterday. Literally, we did the video and we kept racing with the trucks for until the batteries were dead.
Yeah, I remember I was like, and it's like winter, but still, I was maybe like at 7, just down here in like the darkest room possible, just playing with the truck, seeing how the lights work and racing and trying to.
He was cheating, is what he's saying.
You played racing games yesterday.
That's true. All right, so we have 3 vehicles here. You haven't seen them yet, but you just said you took the black truck yesterday. Choose whichever one you want now.
I don't know. Okay,
Each one of these is a racing vehicle.
This one.
Then I will take this one.
Okay. That one can go into the shadow.
I will take this one. I have. Here is your.
I really liked these ones.
So this says on it, it is a pistol grip controller. It's 2.4 gigahertz. It's got a 55 milliamp battery, which I'm assuming, since the semi trucks are similar, that they're going to operate for about 40 minutes, 30 minutes. Looks like it pops up. We got some tape on the side. It looks so sick. I see lights underneath the body. All right.
Okay.
Turbo Racing 176 on-road car. Oh, extra bodies.
What's that?
Oh,
For painting.
slick. Extra bodies. That's
painting,
so
yeah.
helpful. Well, Mom, it may look like you're going to have to get in on the racing action this season. Oh, look at this.
Oh, this is so light and so beautiful.
All right, I'm familiar with these. With those radios. Yes, I know. We should have a look at this. Oh my gosh, that is shockingly light. That is shockingly light. Look at this gorgeous little car. 2 reds, hey?
Yeah, and then you also have the extra
Gorgeous color.
bodies.
Right? It's like a burnt sunset orange.
Yeah, almost the exact same color. Yeah, mine
That
comes
is-
with like extra windows.
I think we should, you know what? Let's open this one to see if we get a different color. Because then the contrasting colors. Do you want to look at this one?
So is it the same scale as Hot Wheels?
Hot Wheels, we have a comparable few right here. There is a Hot Wheels, there's a Hot Wheels, and there is one of their cars. So you can see it's notably smaller.
Yeah.
Right? But I wonder
Which
how
is
these would do
surprising.
on a Hot Wheels track as you're
I feel like they
driving
do.
up and down.
I feel like they do great.
We're going to have to explore with that. Okay, so not to confuse the viewers, those were the Hot Wheels.
I'm just gonna put your extra bodies away. I mean, no, that sounds way worse.
We'll get you to unbox that one. I'm going to put my click together radio so you can see the 2 contact points here for those that haven't seen the style of transmitter before, because there's a receiver in these vehicles. This is your transmitter. You're going to slide it together and they make the 2 connections.
So it's mine, but black.
Oh, black.
Yeah, let me just take this out for you guys.
Look at that gorgeous one. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
That is sick.
Like a matte black. It's beautiful.
Wow, that is a little bit hard to see on the black
Yeah.
racetrack when we're trying to film for you guys. Though.
Lights will be important on this thing.
Valid point.
Yeah.
When we light this up, these are actually very unique. So on the bottom, we charge these cars via USB, right? You
Which
can
is,
see
yeah,
this
it's actually kind of smart.
port here and port here. Well, there's 4 AAAs in here, and with that small port on the bottom, if I had this turned off, which I'll do right now for you, and then I get this port going on, I'm going to turn off my radio in total. There's the car, okay? I'm going to turn this on-off button. It's actually a 3-post switch, 3 position. I'm going to turn it to its first position or second position, depends on how you look at it. The red light turns on. This is actually charging the car right now. So as it sits there, it uses the battery power to help charge that. Now, if I actually wanted to race the vehicle, I'm going to take it off of the port. I'm going to turn off my radio, turn on the car, turn on the radio to the 3rd position of the switch, and now it's transmitting to the car. This does have 3 different speed settings, so 20%, 50%, and 100% for the throttle limiters.
And 100% is super fast. I went on a giant straightaway over here, and I couldn't even get to max speed.
So let's back it up and get us looking at how we can race these cars. I haven't raced it yet. He is discovering that this is much faster than the semi. Oh, nice. All right.
I think I might not go to 100%.
Right. So I can turn on and off the lights on the bottom, the undercarriage lights. Ready? In 3, watch your radio. You're on the track. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wow, that is sensitive. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm a cheater. Oh, this is going to take some practice.
Oh, not for me.
Oh, shoot.
My truck.
Yeah, it was your truck.
I'm on 20% too. You?
I'm on 50%. You're kicking my... Are you sure?
I'm on...
Wow,
I'm on
you're burning.
I'm used to going fast.
Oh.
Cheater.
Yep. I got put back on course by a
How
muscle.
fast are you going?
Oh, you finally drove off the cliff. It's not only me.
I beat you twice in that.
All right, calm down. It's all right.
How fast are you? Are you really at 100?
Yeah, I'm at 50, I said. I don't even... Do you want me to go to 100?
No, it's really fast.
Come on, let's line up again. I'll start at the back.
I cannot go to 100 with this.
Let's try. I gotta try, dude.
Fine, you can try.
Oh. I have faith. Rear wheel drive.
Really good.
Incredible. It's like mini Z racing, but mini Z racing.
This is so fast for me.
Micro Z.
This is so fast for me.
This is insanely awesome. All right, that was on 100. Let me turn off the blinking lights so everyone feels better. That is simply incredible. So I'm going to go back down to 20%. Let's have a legitimate race. We'll turn around so we get a little action here. Oh, it's so slow now on 20%.
Well, for me...
It like barely moves for me on 20%. Oh, it's probably because we got a charge, hey? Like I haven't charged.
Well, I can go decently fast on 20%.
Yeah, I must have a dead battery. So you know what I should do here?
Start
Switch
racing.
over to the other awesome vehicle.
What? That's just mine.
It's mine now. Yeah.
I wonder if there's a horn on these things.
Oh, man. Okay.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Oh, no.
Come line up.
Oh, yours looks sick.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice, both of us. You gotta look where you wanna go. Oh, hey, what are you doing?
Yo!
It's awesome. I have a flat deck. These must fit on the back of the flat deck. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys saw this yesterday, but this trailer actually has a battery of its own and also talks to my 10-channel transmitter, which allows me to move up and down these support legs.
Good,
and
sir.
also gives me lights on the back of the trailer.
Good sir, may I have my trailer?
You may have your trailer, sir. I was addressing the public, sir. Here's your trailer.
Thank you.
There we go. So, let me see here, turn on the lights. Yeah, I like that. Oh, yeah, ding-a-ling. Alright, looks like I can load up first.
Fine.
Alright.
Okay, the red one's mine.
Okay, so now I need to get a way to, like, we need to print some ramps.
Ramps. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
this looks sick together though.
But
I'm not.
can this double as a ramp for now?
No.
Yes. It's rear-wheel drive though, so that's going to be a challenge. It's really going to have to be up there. I might hit my...
Oh wait, if I do just like put it on
Yeah.
there.
Oh,
Ramps.
whatever you're paying that guy, it's too much. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I have mine loaded up.
Very good. And you loaded it properly too, near the front.
Well,
Oh yeah. So RCs hauling RCs.
well, wait, no, we can get a bigger RC and haul
Can you
these.
move your radio, please? I got a heavy load coming through.
It's not that heavy.
It's maximum load here. Oh. Up yours.
Yo!
Wow, you're cruising, dude. Nice. You should see the black car on yours too. There we go.
Oh, that does look
Yeah,
nice.
It does.
What? No.
There you go.
Aw, I like mine.
Bum 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 bum.
Don't worry, I'm abiding by all the traffic.
You're a very swift driver. Yeah. Some people will get it.
Yeah.
So there we go. I want to race more with the cars
Well, here, let's just see.
though. Oh,
Oh.
yes! You just drove off the back. That was awesome. I loved that.
Here, actually, wait. If I go this way instead. Wait, no. Let's just see this. Let's just see this.
Oh, that was close. Can we try that again?
Sure.
I like this. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I should definitely be on faster speed.
Yeah, I'm on 50.
Okay, I'm on 100.
What? What?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yes! Satisfying. Back.
Okay.
Camera person, come on this side. So our goal is to have the semi-truck driving forward and to successfully have the car drive off the back. All right? Ready, sir?
Yep.
Drive forward. Yeah. Deployed. All right. I've had enough practice. Shall we do the final race?
For all the dishes?
For all the dishes?
Guys, I'm gonna make him hideous tonight.
No, please, no, please.
Cheesy.
Double baked, twice fried.
All right, I'm on
Okay.
50% throttle.
Same.
You're on 50%?
Yeah, 50.
How many laps?
2 laps?
2.
2 laps.
2 laps.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh.
This is really difficult to do.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna use a lot of grease.
Oh, nice. Spin out. Nice
some
spin out.
burnt
Nice.
onion.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh! Okay, he gets 1 replacement. To be fair. Ready? Go.
That was intense.
It was intense. Oh!
Aha!
I think that's
Don't worry, I was right there.
No! Okay, I win! I think I'm gonna puke.
I'm surprised that's holding up.
It looks so good.